Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to use some permutation combination. Okay, so I have told you earlier that if you want to hold great command over probability, you should have good command over permutation combination. So, try to study permutation combination first. We have already uploaded all the sessions of permutation combination. Please go through it once, then you will enjoy surely. Okay, let's jump on to this question, which says words with or without meaning are to be formed using all the letters of the word examination. Okay, so we will use this examination word. Okay, so first I will try to recognize that how many letters are being like used. So we have E, X, A, M, I, N, A, T, I, O, N. So this many letters are available. Okay, now they are saying that the probability that the letter M appears in the fourth position in all such words. Okay, so look at this. So required probability. So you know that we have how many? We have how many letters? Look at this. So we have 4, 4, 8, 12, 11. 11 letters we have. So altogether 11 factorial, out of which some are repeating, 2 because of A, 2 because of I, and 2 because of N, 2 factorial. So this is total number of combinations. Now you know that there exist 11 slots: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, in which fourth position is already occupied because of the question. Okay, the question says that the fourth position will be occupied by M. So you have to arrange these letters in the remaining space. So how many empty space is available? 10. So 10 factorial, out of which 2 A's are repeating, 2 I's are repeating, 2 N's are repeating. So this thing gone. Then we have 10 factorial by 10 factorial gone. So we are left with 1 by 11. Therefore, the required probability is 1 by 11. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.